I'm going to share with you the top secret technique to make Chinese spicy pork that restaurant chefs don't want you to know. Corporate chefs don't want you to know this technique because they make a lot of money on you going to the restaurant for this dish. This is a popular dish in Asian themed restaurants, and here's how we make it. You'll need marinated cubed pork coated in cornstarch, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, garlic, chili paste, and green onions. To make Chinese restaurant spicy pork, you'll want to take pork shoulder or country pork ribs and cut 1-inch pieces. To marinate your pork, you'll want to put some shaoxing cooking wine, a little bit of salt, some white pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You'll want to mix this up real well and put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for about an hour. In a wok, heat up enough oil to fry your marinated pork. Heat up your oil till about 375 degrees. You'll know it's ready when it shimmers as you move it throughout the wok. Move this around and fry until it's almost all the way done. I'm going to turn down my heat just a little bit so that all pork pieces cook nicely. Okay, our pork is cooked all the way through, and we want to turn off the heat, and we're going to strain our pork pieces. While your pork is straining, let's make our sauce. You'll want to turn on your wok. Add in some garlic and chili paste. You'll want to add some hoisin sauce to this. About a tablespoon is all you'll need. Some soy sauce and some sweet chili sauce. Our chili sauce is just now coming to a boil. We'll turn off the heat and we'll add back our pork chunks. We're going to turn back on our heat and give this a little toss. We're going to add in our green onions. Give it one more toss and we're ready to plate. We want to garnish with a little sesame seeds. This dish is perfectly addictive. It's a little sweet, a little spicy, and it's just got a hint of savory, and you'll just want to eat this whole plate with a bowl of rice. The pork with that little bit of cornstarch on the outside fried gives it a little bit of a crisp as you bite into the tender marinated pork inside. Then you coat it with this little bit of sauce, and it's a dish you just can't stop eating. Now that you know the secret technique to how to make this favorite restaurant dish, see how it compares to your neighborhood Chinese restaurant.